Hello everyone, so today we have the 2-pack Miyadi fans. It comes in black and white. At the end of the fans, it has this little cord that you can put your wrists through so it won't fall. This pack also comes with 2 chargers. And here's what it looks like. The battery capacity is 5,000 mAh and the max airspeed is 18 feet. Now this fan has 3 modes. It has low, medium, and high. If you press once, it gives you low mode. A second time, medium mode. Third time, high mode. And to turn it off, you just click it a 4th time. And now here I am testing all the 3 modes. Here is low mode, medium mode, and lastly, high mode. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped.